Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this look using the ABH NORVINA liners. This is the first time I play with them and I have been dying to play with them. I didn't feel inspired to do both. No, I didn't feel inspired to play with them just yet. I've had them for quite some time and I have both stacks. I think they're really great liners and the quality is definitely there. She did a really beautiful job with these. And today, as you guys can tell, I opted to play with the orange shade. And this little trio looks like this. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, let's go. Alright guys, so today we are going to play with color. And I'm going to start off by placing my Laying Low paint pot on my lids. And I really like this primer because I feel like it just counteracts any darkness I have on my lids, and it really just extends the wear of my shadows, and it sets really quickly too. Just to let you know, I am wearing my Makeup Forever concealer in number 34, and that's the Ultra HD concealer. And then I mixed two foundations today. I'm using the Stay Naked by Urban Decay, and it's in the shade 61NN. And I mixed the YSL All Hours foundation, and this is B55. This is obviously a little too dark for me. This is a little too light, but I mixed both and I got the perfect shade. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Neon palette. This is the orange one. And I'm going to take this middle shade here. This one here. And I'm going to dust this all over my lid. And this color alone is just beautiful. I'm going to take that up just up to the brow, but I use most of the pigment on the lid, and then whatever's left over on the brush is what I actually work up into the brow. So I don't want it to be tangerine so high, but I do want to bring that color up just a tad. So I have had on my list to use the ABH NORVINA liners, and I don't know, I haven't really felt inspired to use such bold colors, but I'm torn between the orange and the pink. I know I used orange on my lids, but you can go either way. I feel like orange is the way to go. So these liners are activated by water. I'm going to take my Evian spray and just use a little bit to get it wet. And I'm going to be using this Smith Cosmetics liner. It's super tiny. So I'm finding that these are really creamy and saturated. So I'm just going to pick some up in the back of my hand and use that to control the amount of product I place. I'm going to let this set before I do anything else. Let's do the other eye. I feel like these liners didn't get a lot of attention. When I saw them, I'm like, oh yeah. They were right up my alley because I wanted some really bright, colorful liners. And I feel like they didn't get a ton of hype. And they really are a great formula. Like, I can see that they are pigmented and they apply pretty even. Alright guys, I went full-blown wing and I really like the way that this is looking. I'm going to take this shade here, and this is a MAC 221 brush. This is a really tiny brush that I love to use to just really place color into the crease, or right above the crease I should say, because it's so fine and precise that it gives you a ton of control. I'm going to go back into the gel liner, which by the way guys, this sets really fast. You have to work quickly, which I appreciate, but you can still layer. Like, I went over my liner and it worked out beautifully. So I'm going to take this liner and I'm going to essentially line the inner part of my crease. And let's see. I don't know how to do this without cutting you guys out because I need to get really close. Just like that. That looks cool. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. So this eye, I had some of the product smear a little bit, so I'm taking the same brush, clean though, and I'm just cleaning up that little corner. I'm gonna go back with the same 221, and I am going to use, I'm gonna take a mixture of this and this shade, and I'm going to just blend right above the top line. I'm going to take this shade here, and I'm going to use that to highlight my inner corner. I'm going to go back into that gel liner, and I am going to just touch up this inner corner here. This has a really tiny mirror, but let me tell you, it's better than not having a mirror. I fear that this orange is going to stain my eyes. I'm gonna apply some mascara on the lower lash line. I fear that this liner is going to stain my eye. Not that long ago, I did a hot pink look, and I remember that it stained my eye. And it wasn't this, it's just really pigmented shades. I think I had used Myrics. They stain. To bronze my face, I'm going to use my Cover FX bronzer, which I have been using quite a bit these days. And I am mixing both shades. For my blush, I'm going to be using Soft Peach by Cover FX. I love these blushes, and again, we get new stuff, we play with new stuff, and we forget about the things that we were loving. And my goal is to rediscover things, so I'm gonna take a little bit of the sheen and just pop that highlighting shade or the shimmer shade right on the top back so it acts like a highlight. For my lips, I took Marc Jacobs Gloss in Forbidden Fruit, and as you guys can see, it just gives you a little bit of color, and it isn't anything that's really going to overpower the eye look. I'm now going to take this YSL Touche Eclat 3D all over face powder. It looks like this, and I'm going to use a large fluffy brush and just dust this all over my face. Alright guys, so here is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Again, I know that this is not for everybody. It's just a fun way to play with color. And I feel like it's a nicely balanced look that if you wanted to wear this out, you totally could. Or you can just stick to the festivals that we're not having this year. I think it's fun. You can totally do the eye look without lining the top, but I just thought it was cute and fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I do upload 3 videos a week, and I want you to catch every single one of them. Like this video as it does help my channel grow, and leave a comment down below letting me know, would you rock this look? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.